be yourselves. You know, don't be afraid of what other people are going to say, because everybody is right, nobody is wrong. You know, they have their own opinions. It's right to them, their religious beliefs, their personal beliefs, their morals, but it may not be right for you. So just be yourself. Don't be afraid to be yourself, and you know, that's.
And you know, if you ever need, you know, a confidence booster, look at something that you're interested in, and then expand upon that. Kind of like, you know, if you like cars, you know, you might want to actually start your own car shop someday. You know, I want to be a vet tech for horses, so I want to go live in Kentucky someday or somewhere with those horses, and you know, and just live life with horses. Yeah.